Hello, today we'll be answering all of the questions at once. All of the questions that existed on planet Earth from its creation. So, question number one, what is time? Does it exist? Why does it exist? What is energy? And everything else. For this, we need one thing, which is, of course, Borscht, as you call it in English, or Borscht, as we call it in Ukrainian and Russian. Okay? Hang on. So we take a bowl and borscht, and look how we will explain what time is using borscht and a bowl. So now we have borscht. Imagine this borscht is not born yet, and this bowl is the universe. The whole universe, every atom there is. Every atom, every electron there is, this is this bowl, okay? And this is how galaxy and the universe is born, like this. Bloom! Look, imagine it's fully slipped into this, fully. So this is the whole galaxy. This is the whole galaxy. Every electron, every atom there is, it's this. Imagine this. Make an analogy in your brain. An analogy, you know. So, why does time exist? First, let me explain you one thing. There is just one. There is no one frying pan. There is no one can. There is no one oven. There is nothing one. There is just one. It's the whole galaxy, the whole universe, I mean. The whole universe. That's just one. There exists only one. Nothing else exists. It's not one, it's 0.000 millionths, you know, trillions and quadrillions. Imagine this is the whole galaxy, okay? Let's put it on fire. So, in this whole galaxy, there is no time existing. Time doesn't exist. Everything is one. Everything is one. There is no time, no movement, no nothing. But if we take a fork and take a single little element of that, like this carrot strip, you know, for it, when we mix it, for it, time does exist. But for the whole bowl, it doesn't. There is no time. It's complete. You understand me? Let's take another strip. Look, here is a tomato and a carrot strip. For them, time do exist. But for the whole bowl, time doesn't exist. It's full. It's full. You understand what I mean? So what I'm trying to say is that time only exists because we're too stupid to understand that it doesn't exist. You understand? We're not one, as Bob Marley said. We're not one. We're divided. Divided like my fingers on my hand. For this whole galaxy, time does not exist. If it was a whole universe. You understand me? So, here I explained to you with the help of Borscht, as you call it in English, what is time, what is energy originating from Big Bang, and I know there are now theories that Big Bang didn't happen or something like that. In my opinion, I tell you, it's my opinion. It's my opinion about this. It's no one else's opinion. It's my opinion. My idea how it happened. We perceive time. You're now watching this video because we are not one. And there is just one in the whole universe. It's the universe itself. Thank you. I hope if I didn't even give you answers, but I provided some food for your thought. Thank you. Goodbye. Live long and prosper as always.